Every piece of discarded furniture once held the warmth and memories of a home. But when these items grow old or break, their usual fate is the landfill or the incinerator, taking up space and releasing harmful pollutants. Now, an ancient yet innovative solution, carbonization, offers a new path. It gives old furniture a second life, transforming it into a long-lasting form that can even become a carbon guardian for our planet. How does carbonization grant eternal life? Non-wood components, such as metals, paints, and plastics, are removed, leaving behind clean wood material ready for carbonization. In a carbonization furnace, wood is heated to 300 to 600 degrees Celsius in an oxygen-limited environment. This process restructures its molecular makeup, releasing reusable combustible gases and liquid byproducts while producing stable, solid biochar. The resulting biochar has a rich porous structure and strong absorption capacity, making it highly valuable across multiple sectors. Agriculture, mixed into soil, biochar improves water retention, nutrient holding capacity, and supports microbial activity, boosting sustainable farming. Acts as a sorbent for heavy metals and water pollutants, becoming a powerful tool in waste and water treatment. Energy and industry, serves as a high calorific solid fuel, replacing coal and reducing carbon emissions for cleaner energy production. Old furniture may be worn, but its carbon value remains. Through carbonization, it transforms from waste to climate solution, locking in carbon and helping protect the planet. So next time you say goodbye to old furniture, choose carbonization. Because true eternity isn't about lasting forever, it's about renewal without end.